Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to drive this boat again.
And we are going to crash it? No. How fast is it?
Super fast.
Really?
Seaweed there. School seaweed. Yeah, seaweed.
Okay. One moment. I see the rudder is completely turned.
Mama,
Did you turn it on? No, you turned it off.
See?
Okay, now it's on. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Turn right. Left. Works. Good. Awesome. All right, here we go. One moment.
You put the boat.
I put the boat in. Don't press the throttle, okay? 1, 2. Oh, wait, don't press the throttle. There's something stuck here. And 3. Go! Ow! All yours. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight, full throttle. Turn left, slow down, turn left. Awesome, full throttle. Left, left, left.
Mama, hold this.
All right.
You're an expert, huh?
He's getting an expert already.
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
I get
No drifting. All water will go in. Learn to do constant circles and constant turns. Yes, very good. Full throttle. And turn when
So smart.
turn when you have full throttle. Slowly turn, yes. Full throttle, if you turn too fast, it will flip. Then we have to swim. And that's what was going to happen. Go, keep driving. Keep driving.
hello, I'm so global. I'm broken.
Alright, let me have some fun. Come on. Don't have fun by yourself. Okay, and here we go. Crazy driving now. Oh, there's a bottle there.
Back to the game.
Oh,
Back to the slow game.
nice.
Back to the
He's bombarding you.
Let me bombard some water for Hadi.
The face of Hadi. No, we flipped.
Oh no!
Maybe like an airboat if you.
Maybe you can give air.
Air? How do we give air?
You just put
Let me see. How about the quad?
Yes, Ari. Quad Rescues boat is a good idea. Because then we can get another video of your quad crashing in river and a creative way to rescue it. Check it out, a video on my channel, the rescue of Ari's sunken quad.